Hi, my name is Alex. I'm founder of Splynx company. We develop software for internet providers. And now together with our partner Whalebone, we are bringing IT security solution to ISP networks. How IT security can help you in your business? There are two key points. The first one, you can improve your visibility and understand what is happening inside of your network. So you can mitigate all the threats, you can eliminate bots and malware from your network. So this will help you to improve customer experience and bring something additional to your infrastructure, and that doesn't cost you a fortune. And the second key point that I would like to mention is together with Whalebone and content filtering, you can build and start selling new service and get new revenue stream. So you can bring more additional services to your end users. So that will help you to distinguish yourself from the competitors and also build your brand with your customers. So I would like to show you in my presentation how we integrated Whalebone's DNS security service to Splynx and how you can benefit from it. Let's look at the Splynx here. So first of all, what I mentioned is how to get the full overview what's happening on your network. You don't need to go even and open Whalebone itself, but there is a cloud service there. You can analyze what's happening when you can connect all your DNS requests and send it through Whalebone. But in Splynx, you can do the same thing with information about each single customer. So here, if I select last month's information about DNS threats, it shows me customers that generated issues in my network. So at the moment I have one customer for testing here, and I see that he tried to connect to some blacklisted IPs, malware traffic, and there is also phishing that was installed probably on his PC or on his phone. And these actions were mitigated, and he was not able, or his computer was not able to reach the destination. So this is the full overview of the network traffic. As I said, I can find the same information in Whalebone. In Whalebone, there is no information about the customer because we have information about clients in Splynx, so it's connected all together. So in Splynx, it shows you immediately information about who is the customer who got these issues. Also, I can open this customer information and sort and display only his DNS security issues. So here again, let's choose last month, and now it shows me that the domain names that generated issues for this client, and also actions, so that we blocked almost everything. The categories, we see that it had malware traffic, phishing, and blacklisting. So that's the first area that I mentioned, is that by deploying DNS security service, DNS resolver with the security enabled, you can get control of what is happening inside of your network, and you don't need to buy expensive firewalls, you don't need to connect NetFlow, anything. Just place DNS to your network or use cloud DNS of Whalebone. The second option, what you can do, is that you can add additional revenue. So here is an example. Like, I have a Roblox security internet that I define the price myself, so I can sell it for $5, I can sell it for $10, depends on the customer and depends on the region. And what it allows me to do, it allows me to bring two SSIDs, and one SSID is just the security internet like I have here at home, and the second one is security internet with enabled content filtering. So the content filtering I can define in my settings of Whalebone. When I go to my Whalebone, there is a content option, and then you see there is a content that was blocked. For example, this is my Roblox Kids network, and then I have plenty of social networks, advertisement. All this data were blocked by Whalebone, and my kids were not able to access this information. And if I want to define my configuration, you see that the Roblox Kids corresponds to this policy, and the policy is very strict, so it blocks completely everything: crime, adult traffic, social networks, games, and even chat. So all this traffic is blocked. So what I do provide to my end user as an internet provider, I provide him a router with two SSIDs, while one SSID is using just the regular security, and the second SSID is using content filtering. So if you are interested in getting your network secure, and if you are interested to bring in new services and build brands in a smart way with bringing new features to your end users, please feel free to contact me and we will explain you and make a presentation of how to deploy this to your live network. Thank you for your time.